To the world. To the. You wanna make the bed?
No.
Good morning.
Good morning.
He said he ain't making the bed. I ain't making the bed either. I'm not the only one that sleeps in it. Good morning. Good morning. Bring my other phone, babe. Bring my phone. I'm like, oh. Good morning. Good morning, Maddie. Say good morning. I don't know why I'm all extra today. You know when you get that good D, you're like, what, babe?
Yeah. Well, I want to get the D. I got the P.
He got the P. I got the D.
I got the puss.
I got the D.
The puss. I don't like that name.
The puss.
Like puss.
You got poom poom. He can get poom poom. Okay, he can get some poom pooms. I'm happy. I'm breathing hard. I don't his heart can manage these days. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We fight to makeup, okay? The makeup is the best, like the bomb.com, okay? .com. Like, I just pick extra fight just for the makeup. We're at Walmart. And if you ask me why my anxiety is not acting up that I'm going to Walmart, this is why. Rob is my comforter. Rob is my source of comfort. When I'm with him, I feel safe. Which I'm going to get the saying that says, you keep me safe, I'll keep you wild, for our bedroom, over top of our bed. But it's like $200 for that painting. But our kitchen is a hot mess. I need to clean it. But I do want to get that saying because I like it, because Rob keeps me safe and I keep him wild. You know what I mean? Like my scarf, this is what I'm rocking on my head today. I need to go get some eyebrow pencil, and I need a t-shirt. I need Rob to get me a t-shirt because, yeah, these are not cutting it anymore. So I need a nice t-shirt from Walmart. Good morning. Did I tell you guys I like my coffee? Like, really, really hot? Be kind. Oh, gosh. What? Why am I so extra today? Like, I hate when I'm extra. Boys, twins, kitchen. Somebody open this door for me. It's too hot now. Juju, later. Who driving, Rob? Me or you? Whatever. No? This crap is hot. It's all backside. You need to clean out your garage. Here, hold this. Oh, never mind. I got it. Look at this. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I was going to show you guys something. Don't let me forget my coffee there. I got my coffee there. This is the scratch. Where is it? Right here. Let's see that. Someone scratched my baby. Right there. I don't know who. I think it's when we went to Ocean City. Somebody accidentally scratched it or something. I don't know. But it's not bad. What the I don't know why I'm struggling. I don't understand. Oh, this one, it's hot. Woo! Nice and caliente. But I don't have anxiety right now to go to Walmart. Not at all. Put my shoes. Like, I don't know why my life has to be so complicated. But to be honest, I don't have not one anxiety right now. Not one. Which leads me to believe that I don't know. I mean, I do have some anxiety. I do have some anxiety. Where the hell you need why do you need GPS to go to Walmart? Where are you taking me?
That's pretty good.
I make good coffee. I do have some anxiety
Have you seen my wallet?
because I can't control everything. You know, but Rob keeps me safe. I know I'm in good hands when I go out with him. Even though I'm under the impression that if I get in an argument with somebody, Rob always Rob always is quiet whenever time I get in confrontation with anyone. He stays so quiet. I'm like, you see?
No, I'll let you do you.
No, you're a little. He's like.
Because there can be two crazy people. We can't both go to jail.
No, he's when it comes to confrontation at Walmart.
We can't both go to jail.
I need to get them sunflower up out of my garden, my front garden. Look crazy.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The grass look better cut.
Really? Rob is admiring his front yard.
Sod is kind of dead.
This is all we talk about is Rob's yard. Look, we have no kids. No kids, because Maddie is being babysat by her oldest. I can't believe I got teenagers. Teenagers! What? But anyways, I'll catch up with you guys later. So we're up in a people than Walmart. Is this winter clothes already?
Yeah.
Winter clothes and summer gear. Like, this Walmart is confused. Oh, and back to school. These people have been making me depressed. I'm not ready for back to school. I want to go to the beach. Ooh, I love this top. So sexy. Like I was saying before my phone rudely interrupted me. I think these are PJs. And I think they're so cute. I want a pair. Oh, I like this color. I think that is so sassy. Okay, that's not why I'm here. That's not why I'm here. Ooh. I like this. I'm such a basic girl. I like that. Oh my gosh, they have so much cute stuff. That's not why I'm here. It's not why I'm here at all. I lost my husband. I'm starting to have anxiety. People are looking at me strange. I am like legit. Oh, down him. I was about to have a panic attack up in here because I couldn't find Rob. Calm down. Calm down. My heart is pounding so bad. Like spitting on myself. Rob, where did you go? I almost had a panic attack. I couldn't find you. Who saw? I am a weird creature. I was about to have a panic attack. I thought you left me in Walmart.
Why are all these cut above the knee? Who wears shorts above the knees?
You should see this guy's. His is like almost batirada. Like it come all the way up to his butt.
Oh my God,
that's how men are wearing their pants these days. Why? So you can't afford to be a blob. Blobs do not fit in short shorts. We should put you in skinny jeans. I thought you guys want to see Rob in skinny jeans.
Like this. Work shorts. Good. Loose
For
fit.
sure.
15 inches. Yes, this is what I'm looking for, but not a 44.
But you have one like that.
Like 46, that was just bought.
Oh.
I need a 40. No. Those are like pants. They're way too
Well, why don't you just cut the leg off and it's shorts?
You see, these are...
¿Cuánto?
Yeah, these are way too long. Huh? Those are $18.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. We can afford $18. Well, you can afford $18. I can afford $18. I get paid today. My YouTube checks come in today. Today's what, the 21st?
Yeah.
Yeah, my YouTube check come in today. What?
Look at how straight this is. No
Really,
pockets on
Rob?
the side, nothing.
Okay, I'm tired of Rob. I'm sorry. Gotta go. Guys, look what I ran into. The mother load. So if you're into like, you know, jewelry and stuff, I don't wear jewelry, but I love this earring and this set right here. I'm thinking of picking it up. Ooh, look at this one. Okay, guys, look what I found. $1. It can't be. I'm gonna punch somebody. I go up there and it's not $1 because I picked up a set for, you know, Miss Maddie, but it better be $1. Originally $4.97. You said you like these better?
Yeah.
The legs are still. Is it me or is it?
Not because of the print.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, I survived Walmart. I survived Walmart. I only got the little earring because I can't wear jewelry like that. I can't wear cosmetic jewelry. It will break me out. So I only got one little earring. It was like $1. And then I got Maddie the plate. Rob got a short, and then he got a shirt for the boys. And then I got my brow pencil.
Damn, it's 8:45.
And we're going to
Why are
go
we in
get
there so
sausage for Rob. We're gonna get sausage for Rob and then head back home. So yeah, I survived Walmart. I'm doing better with my anxiety. You know what I mean? I have to because I have to live my life. You know what I mean? Oh, okay. It's pretty cool. Went to the Spanish market because that's the only place where I can get stuff. Kitchen clean. That's why I know some areas good picnic, you know. That's why I know my areas good picnic, cause when me tell picnic to do chores, me know so me can come back and chores done. I'm raising good children because look at that. Clean sink, alright? Me not have to come home and talk about you didn't do what I asked you to do and argue and fuss. Me not argue and fuss with no picnic. Me not argue and fuss.
Tiny one. These are cool.
Me not argue and fuss with no children.
Where are you guys going?
Oh, me not get you one pocket now, but I forget. So I'm gonna get the earrings.
Can I try them on?
And I don't even think I'm gonna wear them.
Can I try them on?
No. And then I got these for Maddie. $1. $1 for 24 pieces of stuff. I got some stuff for soup. Let's turn around. I'll show you what I'm gonna get for soup. I never buy you anything. Jojo! Why, Jojo? Good morning. Good morning, mister. Good morning. Where are you going? In Fufu, you see? Maddie, call say good morning to the vlog. Say good morning. Oh, what the backside is?
God.
Okay, all right.
God.
Where's the Jaxson? Jaxson, say good morning to the vlog.
Morning.
All right. I don't know where to win them there. Jump, Maddie, jump. Jump. I need this clean. I seriously need to clean this house. The boys did a good job with the kitchen, but I need to clean the rest of the house. So I got that. Got that. And then
Oh, you done? Okay, let's go home then.
I got chocho, pumpkin. I get pumpkin. We spend what?
Let's go.
$23. That's one green onion, one tomato for to make mackerel, and then Rob got some meat. And then we get that little piece of chicken. Oh, this was $1.36. No, $1.62. So that's for tomorrow. The soup. I'm gonna make some soup. Auntie looks just like me.
No, you look just like Auntie.
No, Auntie
yes.
looks just like me.
I love your earrings, Auntie.
No such thing as me looking like anybody. You're otada.
You don't know that.
You're otavada.
You don't know.
Your excuse, Jason. So these are the earrings. Let me back up. These are the earrings, and I filled in my brows a little better. I need to, clean them up. But this is what the brows look like. This is the pencil I use. It's the NYX brow pencil, and I think it's 903. It's 903. Dark brown I use for my thing, and then I clean them up. Try to do my eyebrows to look decent. But these are the earrings. I don't really wear jewelry anymore like that anymore, but I think these are cute for like days when I want to be cute. But I don't need jewelry to enhance my look, because that's just extra, because I'm already beautiful. Thank you very much. Yeah. But I'm gonna go outside and hang out with the hubs for a little bit. People, oh my gosh, we gotta go down here and see this. This is some ghetto, and he wonder why people say we trashy. This man over here starting the fire with a fan. Babe, I can't. We need to do better, man. We can't be up in here doing this. These people don't know us.
Yep.
Rob, stop, man.
There you go.
Take the fan up there and go inside. Just go inside. Don't come back out here. Guys, I had a whole outro. Oh, Rob don't have no shirt on. Sorry. Oh, what is... Oh, I'm out of shirt. I was like, I hope I don't drop that by my couch. I had a whole outro ready to go, but Rob looked like it. Babe, turn it down. Let me end this video. I had just pause it because I don't want copyright. I had a whole outro ready to go with Rob in it, and I had to delete it because Rob just looked so abused. And I remember one time this lady said that she had to pick up for Rob because she felt sorry for him, and she said that I treat him bad. But I do, honest to God, I do not treat Rob bad. Rob is not a victim. Rob is not a victim in this whole thing. He is a willing participant.
You beat me.
Rob is a willing participant in this.
Hopefully someone out there cares and helps me.
Guys, you ever seen the commercial for the dog? To sponsor the dog. The guy sponsor Rob. You guys cannot sponsor Rob. Rob need a... No, this is the blob that I'm talking about. Look, why is you rubbing your belly?
The noodles smell good.
Baby, I already had McDonald's already. And you had whatever you grill on the grill. You should stop eating, no, man. You should stop. I'm not abusing him. I'm just telling him what's right and what's wrong. Right? And why does this look like a big old unicorn something? This looks like a unicorn penis on my forehead. But I had a whole outro and everything, but Rob just looked so pitiful, and he just looked abused, and it wasn't gonna come off wrong. And I know the truth that my husband is not abused. Shut up! You do not say nothing back there. You be quiet, sir. Sir,
See?
sir, be quiet.
You're abusing
Be,
me.
sir,
You're verbally abusing
sir,
me right now.
sir, be quiet. He is not abused. He is perfectly fine. He's very healthy. He's happy. And he's content. And he's a willing participant in these vlogs.
Yeah, you speak for me.
He's not being forced. He's not being coerced. He's not being paid. he's a willing participant with the foolery. Y'all just don't know Rob. Rob is sneaky. Rob is a Virgo. He's sneaky. Very sneaky. Just don't let him look at you because you will end up pregnant, okay? Just anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us with the foolery. Please do not at any point take us seriously. This is just for fun. It's just for show. Okay, what you see is just for show. Okay, don't take us seriously. Don't take offense if what we do does not, rub you the right way. But thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting us. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye. Bye, guys. Say bye, Rob.
Bye.
Rob, no, Rob. Do a nicer bye, Rob.
Bye.
Rob, say bye. Do a nicer bye, Rob.
Okay,
Rob,
bye.
do better.
Bye.
Jesus, it's so dry. Babe, don't do that. Okay, I'm done.